Hello, welcome back. It's me again, Gigimurakami, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I thought it would be a pretty good idea to kind of give a rundown of like how I do illustrations. I'm in the middle of a project, some client work, and I wanted to just show you guys what I do before I actually started working on this particular illustration. So let's just jump right into it, right? So I was commissioned to work on an illustration of Madam Satan. Madam Satan is like a public domain, like comic character. I can't remember when she was first created. I think in the 30s. Am I tripping? No, it was in the 40s, sorry. So she was first created in the 40s, and yeah, just public domain character. She's in the Archie comics and also in Sabrina the Teenage Witch in the old comics. So I'm trying to do a pinup, or I was commissioned to do a pinup for this project where they're trying to get a bunch of artists together to do pinups and art of these like old public domain comic characters. So I was I was asked to choose a character, and I was feeling Madam Satan. Her background was kind of cool, and I also like the colors that are kind of around her character. She has like this green skull face, and I think it's kind of cool. I think it looks good. So I decided to work on that. I am going to be watercoloring it. Whenever I do illustrations, it's either I will color traditionally with either watercolor or Copic markers, or I will color digitally and just color it up on Photoshop. I have Procreate. I don't use Procreate very much. I'm not gonna hold you. I don't use my iPad as much as I probably should. But when the time calls for it, I will use Procreate. But I am pretty much fully traditional with this. I usually just use digital to like clean up and edit. So let me show you what I got really, really quickly. I have some thumbnail sketches that are not super duper like thumbnail size. I have 4 thumbnail sketches. I decided to do this second one. I think it looks pretty good. The other ones I don't think were bad, but 4 is like a little, maybe too pinup, a little too sexual. 1 is boring. I think 3 is not bad, but I kind of like 2. So I decided to go with 2. But like, I want to test my supplies a little bit. I usually use the same supplies, so there's not really like too much testing that I need to do, but I haven't used my watercolors in a while. So I did a quick like pen sample of like all the brushes and pens that I'm gonna use. And I just wanna run them through some water and through the paints one good time to see which ones are gonna hold up for the final image. So step 1 of how I do my illustrations, the thumbnails. We got that out of the way. Make sure you're testing your supplies. I'm about to do that. And yeah, that's where I'm at. We're gonna head to the top down, and then you'll be able to see me working on everything. Okay, and that was the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed the process. I hope you have a better understanding of how I do my illustrations. Feel free to take whatever you learn here and apply it to your own works. And yeah, I will have a list of the products that I use in the description below. Some stuff I may not be able to find, but for the main products that I use all the time, that for sure will be in the description box below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you being here. Crazy how many people are here now. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Peace.